The following is from archival documents of the Russian-American company. The Yakut Popov Pyotr was a manufacturer, cattle keeper, and carpenter. Pyotr had a wife, a California Indian girl, whose name was Katerina Stepanova. In 1829, they went to Sitka. Pyotr and Katerina had two daughters, whose names were Matriona and Irina. Archival documents say that the 14-year-old Matriona and 7-year-old Irina were sent to Sitka in 1831. After the wedding of Pyotr and Katerina, Gerasy Popov and Logan Zakharov came to Ross Colony. In total, there were 16 Yakut Sakha workers. Kuskov's wife, Yekaterina Prahovna, originally an Indian from the Tlingit or Koloshi tribe, taught grammar and numeracy for Russian and Aleut Indian children. In the summer of 2012, during the celebration of the 200th anniversary of Fort Ross, in memory of the Yakuts who worked at Fort Ross, ritual hitching posts called serge were delivered on the Pacific Ocean coast.